It is a fact, Pickle Peep. Being an entrepreneur is a freeing, exciting, terrifying decision. And some days it feels like it only gets harder. So today we are talking about the 7 big fears every entrepreneur and handmade entrepreneur face, and how awesome it would be to just take a lightsaber to them. It's May the 4th. Let's Jedi this. The fears. Fear is the mind killer. Wait, wrong fandom. Okay, never mind. Fear number 1, Pickle Peep, is the procrastinator, or fear of making mistakes. Things like, it must be perfect, just one more tweak, let me sleep on this, this could be better, I'm not sure it's really ready yet. No. The best way to beat procrastination and all those voices sitting in your head is to stare it in the face and do it now. Thanks, Eileen Wilder. Launch it now. Make it now. Not ready? Fantastic. Do it anyway. Number 2, Pickle Peep, is the rule follower, or the fear of doing the wrong thing and breaking the rules. So voices in your head kind of like, I don't think we can do that. Yeah, that one is totally against the rules. Not happening. This feels like a big risk. Are we sure this is the way to go? Right? No. I want you to stand there and ask yourself, who made the rules? What's the actual worst thing that can happen if these rules are broken? If you break one of them. I like to consider it like grammar or Pirates of the Caribbean. 99% of the rules we meet in life, they're really just guidelines. And like grammar, they're meant to be broken. So if it doesn't send you to hell or to jail, thanks Russell Brunson, then it doesn't really matter. So break the rules. Be ambitious about it. Be enthusiastic about it. Figure out how many you can break and shatter in a day. So freeing. Defy people's expectations. That is the key to this one. Here we go. Number 3, the people pleaser, or the fear of being judged. Sounds like, what if nobody likes it? What if they don't like me? I just want to be everyone's friend. Oh, that would be so embarrassing. I could never. No. What the imaginary world says, it doesn't matter. It only matters what your true fans think. People who resonate with your message, your products, your mission, those are the only opinions that actually matter. Mic drop. Number 4, the outcast, or pushing people away. Or pushing away others before they can reject you. So these sound like, I don't trust anyone. Asking for help makes you weak. What do you mean you don't know how to do that thing? Figure it out for yourself. Of course you need to know how to do all the things. You can't rely on other people for help. I value my independence. This is a doozy. And it's still no-go. You have to trust people if you want to grow your business. You have to admit that you don't have all the answers. Because if you don't, you'll never grow and your business will never scale. Start small. Delegate out little things. And through doing that, figure out your area of expertise, your zone of genius, the thing you do in your business that feels most like play and having a great time. And then once you know that, delegate every other thing. Number 5, the self-doubter, or the fear of not being good enough. This one is extra nasty in how it manifests, because I'm talking about jealousy here. So the voices for this one are, I don't think I'm good enough. Look at so-and-so trying, they're gonna fail. Ha! Did you see what they did? Total faceplant, right? Yeah, they're succeeding now, but just wait. That thing that B built, but thing that looks amazing right now, it's gonna crash and burn. And I can't wait to see it. If I try and it doesn't work, then that's just proof that I'm a failure. I am never trying anything new or ambitious again. This fear is the fastest, meanest one to land you back into a job. So what do? How do we counter this kind of jealousy? It's being grateful. I encourage you, be grateful, be encouraging, be complimentary and helpful, even to your competitors. I know Allison Prince said that don't look at it as competition, look at it as collaboration. And if we encourage others, if we put out that helpful vibe, switching out the jealousy for gratitude, it opens so many doors and can get you so much farther. Don't sit in your own toxic bathtub here. The excuse maker, or the fear of being held accountable. This one sounds like, it wasn't me, I had no part of that. It's totally their fault. The computer crashed. The dog hit my presentation notes. I can't do it because this other thing that I forgot about, but it's there and I can't do it because of that thing. Anything to shift the blame off of yourself. This is the rest of the world is wrong mentality, and it's hard. So how do we beat this one? How do we take control? By taking ownership, owning up to everything you do wrong and everything you do right. Celebrate the rights and step forth and take the blame for your wrongs. A funny thing kind of happens when you step up and you're like, I messed up. People tend to love you even more, especially your clients. That's a weird one right there. So when you remove the option to blame other people, other things, other events, it also drives you to do your best work. And if well employed, it protects your calendar and your project list too. I'm still working on that part of it. But down with excuses. Number 7. Now, this is the pessimist, or the fear of struggling and pain. This one comes out sounding a lot like, I tried that before and it didn't work. That just sounds like a lot of hard work. It seems like so much work to do and it's going to be so hard. Like, isn't there an easy way? Why isn't there an easy button? I just don't have time for that. I really don't think it's possible to do it that way. Like, do you live in an imaginary world? The streets aren't really paved with gold, it's just a lie that rich people say to give us hope. And I see through them, rich people. And the worst one, I am never gonna try again. It doesn't get you anywhere. So no. The best way past this one, just like the procrastinator in the beginning, is don't give fear time to fester and settle in. So just do it now. Do it now. The faster we can take action, the faster we can bypass the fears, the faster we can encourage a new voice in our heads. The voice of success, the voice of moving forward, the voice of progress, the voice of encouragement. Get that voice inside your head and switch it from all these negatives, all these fear-driving principles to positive, encouraging, looking for ways, determining your own future, and it's a good future. Encourage the voice of success and the success habit. All right, Pickle Peeps, I hope you enjoyed that. Happy Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. And comment below. I want to know, which one of these fears do you deal with? And it might not be one, it might be many, but let me know which one are you going to take a lightsaber to and slay. I'll see you in the next one, Pickle Peeps. Bye! And that is a wrap. Happy Star Wars Day, Pickle Peeps! Besides, we had to make the lightsaber Pickle Peep green, right? Oh yeah.